Okay, so we've looked at the format of an LD round, and now let's zoom in a little more and look at the format or the order of how things work within the case. So there are certain elements in your affirmative and negative cases that always stay the same. This is how you lay out your cases. You start off your case by giving an introduction to introduce the audience to your case. And this is also called the hook. And we're going to talk more about why it's called the hook in the next section. But it's basically the introduction. The second thing you have after the introduction is the resolution. You state the resolution. So if you're affirmative, you might state, because of this, I stand resolved, fair trade ought to be valued above free trade, or whatever resolution you are debating about. Then you present your value. And we talked about this a little bit. We talked about how LD is a values debate. You need to have a value in the round. And we're going to talk about this even more later in depth. But you have a value that you present to show why your side is the best. Your side achieves that value, which is supposedly something really important. I'm sorry, before the value, or sometimes it's after the value. You can either put this after the value or before. I usually like to put it before, but some people put it after. But you also want to define a lot of key terms to make sure everyone's on the same page. Because if your definition of fair trade and free trade doesn't match your opponent's definitions of fair trade and free trade, you can almost debate past each other because you're not talking about the same things. So you have to make sure everyone's on the same page, you're talking about the same things so that you can have a productive debate. Then after the value or the definitions, you want to have a criterion. And this is a little more complicated. We'll get to it later. But it basically makes your value more clear or provides a way to achieve your value or to measure when you've achieved your value. And again, we're going to explore this much more in depth in the next section. After your criterion, you want to have three contentions. And the three contentions are basically just your three main points, your three main arguments as to why your side should win. And finally, after the contentions, your arguments, you want to bring up a conclusion, maybe a quick summary, and tie everything close. That's basically the format of an LD case. So over the next few days or weeks or months or however fast you work, since this is a self-paced course, we're going to be preparing our cases. We're going to prepare an affirmative and a negative case because you need to be able to defend both sides. At tournaments, you are going to be expected to debate both sides of the resolution. So we're going to look at how to prepare these cases, what to say, how to put them together, and what all of these things like criterions and values, what that all means. So I'll see you in the next section when we'll start doing that.